Let us see the use of search function. They are asking us to compute where the first comma is located. So how do I get the where the first comma is located? Okay, so what we can do is we can use the search here. Okay, and so if you see the search function, here you have to compute that, find the text, within the text and starting. This is optional. We have seen. So I have to find the text, that is comma. So I have to put it in the double quotation. Okay, and comma within the text, that is I will refer this over here. So let us put this formula and see what the output we get. So we'll put search, and I am saying that I will compute comma within this text. Okay, so you see that I have got 18, right? So now first comma located I have got. Now what if I want to get the second comma which is located? So you see that first comma is located on 18th. Okay, second comma is located over here. So how I get it, right? So if you see the function, okay, this is okay. Okay, what we have to do is we have to find out comma within text. Okay, I have to find out within this. Then this is given start number. Okay, that is from where you want to find out. Okay, so if I say that this is 18th, I want to start from here. Okay, I can get this thing, it can search. So let us see if I put 18. If I put 18, whether I get the correct answer or not. So if I put, let's say I search comma within this string, I search comma within this string, okay, and I am starting from this 18. Okay, so if you see, it has given me 18 again, right? So it means that what is happening is it is starting searching from here, okay, and it found comma and it has given me. So it means that I don't want to put 18, but I would want to put 18 plus 1. Okay, see if I put 18 plus 1. Okay, now it has said that okay, you are 18 plus 1. You are saying that from here you give me comma. So you see that from here the next comma is here, right? So that's why it has given you the second comma located. So this was simple. Okay, right? This was okay, simple. This is slightly tricky, but the next thing is more tricky. Here we are interested in finding out the entire text to the left of first comma. So you see, this is first comma. I want to get this entire text, that is I want to get this Christ University. So how do I get entire text with left of this, right? So okay, so since I'm saying left, so you would have thought that we have to use left function. Okay, so if I use left function, I have to say that okay, I have to in the Christ University, okay, this entire thing I have to find, but you have to specify the number of characters. The number of characters you have to specify. How do you specify the number of characters? See that comma you already know. This comma you know it is at 18. Okay, right? So you want from here to here. So you know that I want 1 less than 18. So 17, right? So what you can do is you can say that I want left, okay, on this text the number of characters should be 18 minus 1. Okay, see this, you have got the Christ University, right? So it is actually a embedded thing that you have. So what I can do is, rather than doing it separately, what I can do is I can replace before with, just remove this equal to, okay, see. So you will find many places that this will be the question, find the entire text to the left of first comma. So you should be able to use these embedded functions, okay, and should be able to compute, right? This is okay, but the next one is slightly more challenging. This next one I am not going to do now, okay, I will give you as homework, but I will give you an idea as to how it can be done. So what they are saying is find the entire text to the right of second comma. So this is your second comma, I want this, that is space India I want. Okay, how do I get it? How do I get this space India? Okay, right? And then secondly I can say that you have to remove the space also, that also you know, but how do I get it? Okay, right? So if you see the second comma you have found out, okay, it is 29. Okay, then if you try to use the left function. Okay, you can use it left function also. So you can say that left function, okay, I would compute the where the second comma is located. So second comma, so you give this string and this 29, okay, and it will give you 29 minus, yeah, so sorry, you want sorry, you will want not the left will give you this thing, right? So you would want to use the right function. Okay, so how do you use the right function? Okay, please note that in the right function also you have to specify the number of characters, okay, right? But how do you know the number of characters this? Okay, can we know this, what, how many number of characters is this? Okay, one way to get this number of character is, I know that this is 29, I know up till here is 29. Can I know this up till here? I can know, remember we have the len function. So len function will give me up till here. So the difference between the two will give me this value. Right? So what you have to do is, okay, you have to use len here, okay, you have to use the search here, okay, and then you have to use the right. So these three function you have to use so that you will be able to get the thing that is the right. So that's what I have put here. Okay, you have to use combination of search, len and right function. Okay, then this is more complex. Okay, you have to find the text between first and second comma. So between first and second, okay, right, it means that you have to use the mid button, mid function, right? So you see how it can be done. You try to think, you have to solve this too. Okay, then the next is find. Remember that find is same as search, only the thing is it is case sensitive, so we are not going to cover.